Hi, I'm Tanya.
And I'm Candy.
And we're members of the Cynon Youth Forum. We are here today with Yeps this evening. We're at the Aberdare Christmas Festival to capture the festivities taking place in the town centre this evening and to find out how people are enjoying themselves in the town centre tonight. What was your favourite thing about tonight and why?
I think it's a really great thing for Aberdare. It's brought so many people out. I don't think I've seen this many people in Aberdare for probably 10 years. So I think it's a really good thing. Hopefully everybody will enjoy it, bring people together at Christmas time, especially considering what's happened over the last couple of years with COVID and pandemics and everything. So it's a really, really good, feel-good event for the local community.
It's bringing everyone together for Christmas. Woohoo!
My favourite thing so far is coming together, celebrating Christmas, making Aberdare look good.
I think it's really good for the town and I'm very excited.
The parade, because it was fun. I enjoyed it. I was kind of part of it.
So many people from Carnivali enjoying themselves and so many beautifully dressed up people. The jazz band was fantastic. The tree, all the lights. It is Christmas at last. So really excited, really excited.
Well, what a fabulous night we had at Aberdare Christmas Festival. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Don't forget to head over to yeps.wales for more information and take a look at our YouTube channel. Give us a like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything we are doing. Oh, and give us a follow on the socials too at YepsRCT. Merry Christmas and happy holidays!